Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this quick guide, I'll show you step by step how to pay your Atome Card bill using the Landbank app. Let's get started. First, you want to make sure you've got both the Atome and Landbank app installed. Then, to verify that Landbank or any other bank is supported as a payment method, you want to go to your Atome app. Then from here, you want to go to your profile. Just choose the Me icon at the bottom. Then choose payment method. From here, you want to choose bank transfer via InstaPay. And as you can see, Landbank is listed here, meaning to say you can definitely use your Landbank. You can definitely pay the Atome bill using your Landbank card. Right now, let's go back to the bills. I currently don't have a bill to settle on my account, but once you're on the bill payment page, just choose the payment method bank transfer via InstaPay and follow the prompt that will lead you to your Landbank app to complete the payment. And that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one.